The Mayors of Iloilo City. Jose Maria Gay. He was the first mayor of Iloilo City under the American Insular Government. Plazoleta Gay, where Arroyo, J.M. Basa, Isnard, and Ledesma streets meet, was named after him. Matias Ibiernas. One less known artery of Iloilo City is Ibiernas Street. It links General Luna Street with Delgado Street. It is named after Matias Ibiernas, one of the former mayors of the city, who donated the area to the city government. Rosauro Hoxon. The construction of the UPV main building was envisioned in 1908 when Rosauro Hoxon of Arevalo was Iloilo's municipal president. Juan de Leon. De Leon Street in Iloilo City is named after Juan de Leon, a municipal president of the former town of Iloilo, who fought against the Spaniards and the Americans during the West Visayan phase of the Philippine Revolution in 1898. 1906 to 1909, Rosauro Hoxon, Municipal President. Quirico Abeto. Quirico Abeto was the judge of the first instance of Manila. 1917 to 1919, Gerardo Hiervias, Municipal President. 1920 to 1922, Vicente Ibiernas. Mayor Vicente Ibiernas and UP President Bienvenido Gonzales signed the Deed of Donation, which made legal and definite the use of the building and site by UP Iloilo College. Serapion Torre. He was widely known as the father of modern Ilonggo literature. He is a poet, novelist, zarzuela writer, and playwright. He wrote about social issues such as labor problems, corruptions, and land seizures. 1926 to 1931, Eulogio Garganera. The city hall was first called the Iloilo Presidencia, since the town head was then called Presidente. The last president to hold office there was Eulogio Garganera. 1932 to 1934, Leopoldo Ganzon. He was the father of Rodolfo Ganzon, who is known as the father of free education. 1935 to 1936, Eulogio Garganera, Municipal President. 1936 to 1941, Ramon Campos, City Mayor appointed by virtue of RA 365, Commonwealth Act No.158. Ramon Campos, the first mayor of Iloilo City, when it was granted a full chartered city status on August 25, 1937, after the surrounding towns of La Paz, Mandurriao, Molo, and Arevalo merging with the progressive town of Iloilo on July 16, 1937, by virtue of Commonwealth Act No.158. 1941 to 1944, Vicente Ibiernas. 1945, Mariano Benedicto. Fernando Lopez Sr. He was a Filipino statesman, a member of the influential Lopez family of Iloilo. He served as Vice President of the Philippines for 3 terms, and he was also the chairman of ABS-CBN Corporation from 1986 to his death in 1993. 1947 to 1949, Vicente Ibiernas. 1950 to 1952, Rafael Halandoni. 1953, Juan Borja. 1954, Dominador Jover. Rodolfo Ganzon, Ganzon is best remembered by his constituents for having authored and sponsored the Iloilo Freedom Law, which restored to the people of Haro, La Paz, Molo, Arevalo, Mandurriao, and Iloilo City proper their constitutional rights to elect their own mayor, vice mayor, and councilors. 1962 to 1971, Renario Ticao. 1972, Rodolfo Ganzon. October 1972 to April 1976, Francisco Garganera, acting mayor by virtue of succession. 1976 to 1979, Simeon Ledesma. 1979 to 1986, Luis Herrera. 1986 to 1987, Rosa Caram. Caram is described as the first ever and only female mayor in the history of Iloilo City. 1987 to 1988, Antonio Hechanova. 1988 to 1991, Rodolfo Ganzon. Mansueto Malabor, known as Mayor of the Masses. April to June 30, 1992, Jerry P. Treñas, City Mayor by succession. June 30, 1992 to June 30, 2001, Mansueto Malabor. 2001 to 2010, Jerry P. Treñas. Jed Patrick Mabilog. He has been instrumental in reversing the effects of urbanization and bringing modern public services to the city. Mayor Jed, as he was known, supported the cleanup of Iloilo River, initiated the construction of a new eco-friendly city hall, and created a business-friendly environment for small and medium enterprises. 2017 to 2019, Joe III Espinosa. 2019 to present, Mayor Jerry P. Treñas.